Hey, Ashley, grab me the comics, please.
Huh?
Comics. Just the comics, just the comics.
Was that one of ours or no?
No.
Jacob!
Here.
Oh!
Yeah, he walked.
Yeah.
We got plenty of it on camera, Mom.
Oh.
Hey, Jacob, look! Your Easter basket.
Easter basket.
That's one of them. Yeah.
Yeah, that's one.
So he can have that, hon. Just set it on the ground.
Here, Mom. Grab it.
I got it.
Here.
Ashley, want to grab it?
Put it on the floor and let them.
There you go, kiddo. It's trash. Please. What is it? Look. Ooh, you got some num-nums,
Did
huh?
Jake get a soda?
Ooh, you want some yogurts? And some puffs? Oh, you're gonna love that. Oh, and look. You love your... What is it again? Oh, yeah, pasta stars with vegetables. Oh, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. You want your egg again? Oh, no, don't do that, Hawk. Alright. Here, Jacob, look at that. What's this? What's this? Pop it open. Whoop. What's in there, kiddo?
What is that,
That
Jacob?
don't shake. I know are his Cheetos.
What is that?
I mean, the ones that do shake are his Cheetos?
No, these are the Cheetos. Because I packed them tight.
Oh, you got one open, huh?
Ashley, don't let him go after it yet. Let Aunt Maggie be here for that.